Hello, I am Deepak Fadnis. Welcome to this series of translations of the Abhangas of Saint Tukaram from his Abhanga Gatha into English. You may be aware that I am doing this so that the people who do not understand Marathi, those who live outside Maharashtra, outside India, they should also be able to appreciate the greatness of Saint Tukaram and the great devotion expressed in his poetry, his epic, which is known as Abhanga Gatha. As you may be aware, Abhanga Gatha has more than 4,500 short verses, and each short verse is known as Abhanga. Abhanga means something which is not breakable, something which cannot be destroyed. So Abhangas are messages from saints. Saints are virtually like gods. Their words are absolutely perfect, and that's why these are called Abhangas. Today we are going to translate Abhangas 469 and 470. First I will read Abhanga 469 in Marathi. दर्पणासी नकटे लाजे शुद्ध खिजे देखोने ऐसे अवगुणांचे बाधे दिसे सुधे विपरीत आंधळ्यासी काय हिरा गाराची तो सारिखा तुका म्हणे भुंके सुणे ठाया नेणे ठावतो. This is an Abhanga teaching great wisdom to the reader, to all of us. If you are seeing that everything around you is adverse and problematic, then know for sure that the fault lies inside you. Let us see how he explains this. The first line is Darpanasi nakte laje shuddha khije dekhoni, means a man with a flat nose, meaning an ugly nose, an ugly looking man, sees his face in a mirror and he gets embarrassed. Even then, the mirror is good. Even when the mirror is good, he blames the mirror for his ugly image. Second line, aise avagunache badhe dise shudhe viparita. The thing which is straight, the thing which is good, because of bad characteristics, you see that thing is bad. So, similar manner, man who is under the influence of bad characteristics, he sees everything around him as very adverse, even if it is in reality quite good. That is where the problem lies. So, in the third line, Tukaram Maharaj says, Andhayasi kaya hira, garachi to sarikha. What's the use of showing a diamond to a blind man? He will find it like an ordinary stone. And the last line, Tuka mane bhunke sune, thaya nene thavato. Tuka says, there are dogs which simply keep barking without seeing whether the things around him are good or bad. He has nothing to do with whether everything is okay or not okay. His job is to bark. So he will continue to bark. And the same problem is there with the people who keep cursing the outside world. The problem lies within them, and they see that the world is crooked, the world is bad, the world is doing problems to him. This is the Abhanga. And if we sum up this Abhanga, we find that if we find ourselves complaining too much, we should realize that now it is time for introspection, and I must check whether I am okay. The world may be okay and I may not be okay. It's time to check. Go within and check. Very nice Abhanga, a very good word of wisdom, and with this we complete this Abhanga and we'll move on to 470. I'll read this in Marathi. This Abhanga, at the end, Tukaram Maharaj has used a very, very bad word. It's a very bad word and I would rather not pronounce it. I'll just say dash 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 something. If anybody is interested in knowing, you should open the original script of Gatha and read it. Not really a necessity, but okay. So let's read this. नावडे जरी का येतील हे भांड घेऊन या तोंड काळे येथे. नासोनिया जाय रस या संगती खळाचे पंगती नारायणा. तोंडा वाटा नरक काढी अमंगळ मिष्टांना विटाळ करी सुने. तुका म्हणे नाही संतांची मर्यादा निंदे तोची निंदा dash 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 dash. A very bad man. Now this Abhanga is a complaint. Tukaram Maharaj is making a complaint to Lord Narayana. In fact, we can see that he is very angry with the people who have no liking for the path of devotion, but they still keep coming again and again, so that they think they'll get a blessing from Tukaram Maharaj. So this was the nature of Saint Tukaram. He would not stay quiet if a bad man came to him. He will fire him, he will teach him a lesson, he will hurt him, he will even hit him. That is also possible. So this is Tukaram Maharaj. Now while he was very sweet with the simple people, the God-loving people, he was very hard on impostors and evil people. And as a result of this characteristic, he could manage to bring about a good change in the society, a good change in the behavior of the people around him. Let us see the translation of this Abhanga. नावडे तरी का येतील हे भांड घेऊन या तोंड काळे येथे. These quarrelsome people do not like our path of devotion to reach God. Nowadays, they don't like the path of devotion to reach God. Then why are they coming to me again and again and showing their dark faces to me, their ugly faces to me? Why? This is the question Tukaram Maharaj is asking Lord Narayana. Second line, Nasonia Jaya Rasa Ya Sangati Khadache Pangati Narayana. O Lord Narayana, because of the presence of these evil people, our pleasure of celebration of our love for God gets spoiled. We are always rejoicing in our love for God, and when this type of people come across and they come and they stay with us or they try to eat with us, it spoils our complete fun. So save me from them. In the third line, Tonda vata narka kadhi amangala mishtanna vitala kari sune. Sune means dog. These evil people utter very foul words with their mouths. Their mouth is always filled with bad words. It becomes naturally in their mouth. And like a dog, they spoil food by touching their mouth, by mouthing it, and they spread unholiness in the whole environment. They spoil the whole environment. A dog touching food, it spoils the whole environment. The last line, which is a very harsh line and shows how angry Saint Tukaram is with this type of people. Tuka mane nahi santanchi maryada ninde tochi ninda dash 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 dash. Tuka says the person who doesn't give respect to saints is a very ugly man and is worth censuring very, very severely. This is how he criticizes bad people, and with this I complete the translation of Abhanga 470. I hope you like my translation. I would also like to request you to read other translations. We have translations right from Abhanga 1. Some of them you may find in Facebook page, Saint Tukaram Gatha translation. But most of the Abhangas you will see on this YouTube channel. Also, please have a look at other features like Path Karave Tase Abhanga, Abhanga Pandari. Let us have your feedback. You can write comments, you can send mails, you can sing an Abhanga and send it here to post on Abhanga Pandari. Let us keep interacting and keep progressing and keep loving God. Thank you very much for being with me, and I'll take your leave now. Thank you. Bye-bye.